As more school districts move to require proof of vaccinations for teachers and staff, San Francisco Unified says it will not follow that trend.
The move comes after school leaders in Marin and San Jose announced they will require proof of vaccinations for teachers and staff. Not everybody agrees with the decision by San Francisco Unified. Ground Force Dan Thorne live for us in the newsroom with the story. Dan.
Well, Ken and Pam, the San Francisco Unified School District did say they are encouraging all employees to get vaccinated. It's just not going to be mandated at this time. But the United Educators say despite many of their 6,000 plus members being vaccinated, it would be safer for everyone to make it a requirement for teachers to return to the classroom along with testing.
San Francisco public school teachers and staff will not be required to be vaccinated against COVID-19. The move follows most, but not all, of California's school districts.
We're asking San Francisco Unified School District to actually either require or mandate vaccination or submit to regular testing.
Frank Lara is the executive vice president of the United Educators of San Francisco. He says San Francisco Unified should fall in line with what the state, Los Angeles, San Jose, and Marin are requiring for schools.
We have the science. We need to follow the science. We know what works and keeps children safe. I participated in the teaching during the last semester when we were in person, and it felt safe if the protocols were followed.
The district is also no longer requiring physical distancing or automatic classroom quarantines if there is a COVID exposure. As for the students who may be sick, San Francisco Unified will be relying on the honesty of the parent to keep their child home. The vaccine mandate at other Bay Area school districts, such as San Jose, is being done to mitigate exposure to the Delta variant. In a statement to Cron 4 News, a San Francisco Unified spokesperson says, "We strongly encourage everyone eligible to get vaccinated and have shared numerous opportunities with staff, students, and families to access vaccines at our schools and in other places throughout San Francisco. We will continue to follow public health guidance and monitor updates regarding COVID-19 and vaccines." Lara says union members are ready to get back to the classroom.
We are not derailing any plans. We are moving forward. But what we have to do is do it again safely and work together using the science and knowledge we have today.
Most other school districts here in California have not been mandating teachers or staff to get vaccinated, even though many companies and local governments, such as the city of San Francisco, are requiring employees to get vaccinated. San Francisco public schools reopen on August 16th. Reporting live in the newsroom, Dan Thorne, Cron 4 News.